Hey, it's Angeline here. I have a fun and crafty video with Unity Stamp today to show you how you can use up your sequins on your card. So first, I've already stamped this cute bear and ducks stamp from the Hello There Bear Kit from Lisa Glanz and Unity Stamp, and I'm grabbing this Elsa sequins from Unity Stamp as well to decorate my card today. So first, I'm putting down some pattern paper on my card, and then I'm putting some foam adhesive to the back of my stamped image to pop it up. I'm only putting it to the middle of the card. As you can see, I'm not getting the edges because I want to put the sequins on the edge, as you can see later. So here I'm grabbing my Thermoweb adhesive to put right behind the stamped image, as you can see here, and then sliding the sequins right into the opening here, alternating it between the white and blue sequins. And as you can see, it's kind of creating a kind of scallop trim on the border of the card. So I think this is a great way to add some sequins to your card without being too much, because this is kind of like a baby boy card and I didn't want too much bling, but I couldn't help myself. So here is how I've added my sequins to my card. And here is how my finished card looks like. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip technique and do try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye.